I'm going to talk about an article which the title is Vaginal Gel, a New Hope in Fight Against AIDS Pandemic. I chose this article because I really like issues which are related to health, especially women's health, such as AIDS, HIV, and so on. This article is written by Australian writer from the Australian newspaper and was published in July 20. I have divided my presentation in 3 parts. In the first part, I'll focus on the issue. I will explain what the issue is talking about, what the issue is going to make society understand about this issue. And then I'll describe my view and then society view about this issue. And then I will give some graphics which shows the increasing AIDS in some countries, especially in Africa. Okay, let's begin with the first part. As I said, the title is about a new findings for women's health, which is about AIDS pandemic. It is a prototype cream which can kill the AIDS virus. Scientists use microbicid, which can be useful option to break the virus. Scientists say that without this gel, 10 women contaminate in a year. So if 10 women contaminate in a year, so what happens if from now until the next year until 100 next years? It is certainly true because the WHO reported that about 25 million people died, and then 130 million people are affected by HIV, AIDS. And most of them are African. It happened because men didn't use condom. So it makes the AIDS virus contaminate women in Africa. In their experiments, scientists use 1% of tenofovir. Do you know what tenofovir is? Tenofovir is a component of cocktail. So they use the tenofovir to make this gel. They need 3 years to experiment the gel in 455 women, and it works well, actually. Each woman was asked to insert and then to using the gel to their vagina within 12 hours before sex, and then after 12 hours after sex. There was no effect to the participants' body, and about 39% the gel killed the virus. But there is still a big problem. After 18 months, the gel will not effectively. It's happened because the gel weakness. So until now, the scientists work hard to find out what's the gel weakness. As a result, until now, the scientists said that condom is the best method of protection from HIV. So, this is the picture with the women in Africa against the AIDS. Okay, I will give you some graphics about the number of adults, women and men living with AIDS in Africa. So from 1985 until 2003, there is an increasing number in Africa, which is about 12. It's many people. After that, this is the picture picture, the graphs which shows the orphans in 2010. We can see that 2.5 million children become orphans because their parents died because of the virus, AIDS virus. From 1998 until 2010, there is a big increasing in orphans because as the WHO said that they can find out what's the weakness of child. So until this year, the number more and more increase, and they said that they will find out what the weakness of the child. So in my point of view, until now the woman's problem still the big problem in health cases, because most of health interventions is for women. We can say it's about AIDS, HIV, or cancer. Everything is about women. The new invention to kill this kind of virus, the new invention for kill the virus is always experiments from the scientists, because they said that woman is the most important. Woman and the children is the most important to make balance between man and the woman. So if many women die because this virus, so what will happen in the nature of the life? So we can see that the author from this article wrote this article to make all women believe that there is still a hoping to fight the AIDS virus. So scientists think that scientists should work hard to make the gel work effectively to women, because all women in the world already gave their hoping to this invention. However, to avoid these problems depends from the woman and then their husbands. I mean, if the women always clean, always keep their health, and then their men understand their women's needs. So virus AIDS cannot contaminate the woman.
Preventable, avoidable.
That's my presentation.